I'm going to show you how this reverse air hair dryer works on 3 completely different types of hair. 4C coils, 3C curls, and then even with extensions. The RevAir is a game changer for every woman's wash day routine. As a hairstylist, my clients have a wide range of hair types and lengths, and I need tools that can work well on all of them. I love the RevAir Reverse-Air Hair Dryer because it's better, quicker, and healthier than my old blow dryer. Amber has beautiful 4C coils and loves changing up her natural hair with a sleek style. RevAir does this by gently pulling hair into the wand, stretching it while it dries. A vacuum suction sends warm air down the hair strand in the direction the cuticle grows, locking in moisture. So not only are you getting a smoother result, but this reverse air method causes less damage, which means healthier hair.
It feels really good. It's not even tangled. It's easy to run my fingers through it. I'm just really excited. I didn't know a blow dryer can do something like this.
RevAir really gives me the perfect base for any style. From here, I can install extensions or press her hair. For Amber, I'm going to be straightening her hair as a final look. And now, this is Laura, my bestie. She has 3C curls. The RevAir works great on her hair too. But we're gonna have some fun with Laura. I'm going to dry half her hair with the RevAir and the other half with a traditional dryer and brush. I want you to really see the difference between them. So let's get drying. Again, like Amber, the hair is so smooth when it comes out of the wand. You can see how it really stretches that curl out, all on its own. This makes styling so much simpler and faster. Also, I want to make sure you know this isn't a salon tool. It's extremely simple to use, and I recommend it for clients at home too. It's honestly easier to hold and gives me less arm fatigue than a regular dryer. Plus, I'm also not holding a brush. I am going to use this blow dryer over here. As we know, these traditional blow dryers blow hot air and cause breakage. It's also more work for me. The biggest difference that I see between these two is the amount of heat used. With the traditional dryer, we had to run the dryer through the hair more times, using more heat to get this finished product, versus with the RevAir, we only had to go through one time to stretch that hair out to get this finished look.
I really loved how the RevAir process was with putting my hair into the wand and pulling it out with no stress on my hair. With the traditional blow dryer, it is a lot of heat, a lot of tugging on my hair, which ultimately causes a lot of damage.
And both dryers finish in about the same time, but to me, the RevAir is definitely the winner. And now, this is Dejanay. She has extensions. The RevAir suction is so gentle, it won't tug or loosen bonds. And it dries evenly, root to tip, without overheating. We always want to try to use less heat on our extensions. Traditional blow dryers can get hot, which is bad for both natural hair and extensions. And we are trying to keep these as nice as possible.
I really like this because it is soft and gentle on my hair, and it makes it way easier to do and cuts the time in half.
Now, with this RevAir base, Dejanay is almost good to go as is, but I'm going to finish her style with a curling iron. So as you can see, no matter your hair type, RevAir makes styling faster, healthier, and easier. I promise, after trying it once, you won't want to go back to your regular hair dryer.